guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at S.E.A Aquarium. Let's go check it out. Wait, spider crab. Spider. Wait, so lazy one, I think. So much meat, no?
No,
You see the legs, huh?
I think if we eat, I'm full already with the one.
2
leg.
legs. Wow, we have to take picture there. Can I go there?
Wow, red.
This color is the best. So you can see everything inside.
So cute.
Just crab.
Wow. It's like broccoli. Wow.
What? Pick up is where? See more ahead. Let's go. You scared us. Alama casually then run like jumper. Actually, wait, here nice color with combination. Green, blue. Babe, don't hit the glass, babe. Like a downy this bigger.
Very colorful fish here.
Take a picture here. Very nice. Like a neon lights. Very nice.
They all sort with. Wow. This is the sort. You see the fish here?
Oh my god. Oh, what they doing?
Dancing.
It's called group meeting, man. You find a leader. They're giving one person giving speech. It's not like a half spike on the skin.
Come here, wait.
There. Big one. Sleeping.
Small way, not so big.
Just small tank.
Right here, you see?
Walking together with. What is it?
Do
Nothing
not
like-
sit. I don't know. This one is what?
Crab. That one. Oh wait, there. Let's see.
What is that?
I think plants, like. Oh. Wow. So fast. Shy camera, shy this guy. See? You want to move away from the camera.
Chicken flower on there. The flower is what?
This one have the see living things inside, like very small one. Can you see or not? They're going around.
play with them.
So cute, the frog. Yeah. Hey, 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 what are you doing? I will make for you porridge.
Wow. Oh
nice
my
the
god.
colour.
Yeah, like a rainforest.
What?
You want to touch the sea star?
Sister?
Starfish.
Oh,
okay,
yeah, sure.
can touch her. What?
Can then.
Yeah, this one. Ah, we're going to touch it. Liga is going to touch the fish.
I'm interested.
Don't eat, huh?
You think what? I'm...
Because you sometimes hungry one. Lah.
Now you can touch the star, just gentle, don't pick it up.
Ice cream.
Just touch gently.
Right? Okay, they can touch his cousin also. The one in green. The one will move a bit when you touch, but it's okay. I'll show you a bit back first. Welcome. Oh, so I can touch the star.
Wait.
Gentle.
This one?
This one you cannot catch there.
Cannot catch it.
No, very, very fast. Okay, you see below this rock, there's a black color thing. You see?
Oh yeah.
That's called the sea cucumber. Go and touch.
Ah, sea
Very
cucumber.
nice. The black.
Ah, is it the one like look weird, right? When you
It
eat
looks
that?
weird, yeah.
Come here.
But it's the nicest thing to touch.
Ah, try.
Not moving, right?
Your hand only moves. Don't worry.
You haven't even touched it.
Once you touch it, move your finger.
I
Okay.
scared.
Try again. It's okay. Because this is very nice to touch.
Wow.
Okay, go. Okay, move your finger. There you go.
Hey, what is that?
Don't worry about that. Yeah. Come.
But I want to try this.
Gently stroke it. Very nice, right? Yeah.
You want to shoot?
Soft, leh?
Oh, yeah. I didn't notice I'm touching this guy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.